Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best nylon acoustic guitar strings is probably one of the most crucial components for any guitarist seeking that warm, mellow tone characteristic of classical and flamenco music, offering a softer feel under the fingers compared to steel strings, which can be a significant advantage for beginners or those experiencing finger fatigue, making them an indispensable choice for specific genres and playing styles. Number 5. Martin Classical Guitar Strings M260. Introducing the Martin Classical Guitar Strings M260, crafted for exceptional sound. Experience the perfect blend of brilliance and clarity with these premium strings. These strings feature a unique 80-20 bronze alloy composition. This special alloy is designed to deliver a rich, deep bass tone and bright, clear treble notes. Available in gauges ranging from .028 to .043, they offer a comfortable playing experience. Find the perfect tension for your classical guitar. The 80-20 bronze alloy provides unparalleled brilliance and clarity. Enjoy a vibrant sound that resonates beautifully with every strum. Designed for longevity, these strings maintain their tone over time. Experience deep, rich basses and clear, bright trebles that endure. The winding alloy is ideally suited for classical guitars. They are perfect for producing the nuanced sound classical musicians desire. What we like. These strings offer a brilliant and clear sound with impressive longevity. If you're looking for a bright, articulate tone that holds up well over time, these are a fantastic choice. They are ideal for players who want their guitar to cut through a mix or simply enjoy a crisp, vibrant sound. What people say. These strings have proven to be a reliable choice for a young musician's instrument. One of the standout features is the warm and clear tone that these strings produce. They contribute to a well-balanced sound that enhances the overall playing experience. The playability of Martin Classical Guitar Strings is also commendable, especially for a child who is still developing finger strength and dexterity. The smooth feel of the strings under the fingers makes it easier for my child to navigate through chords and fingerstyle techniques. They have a beautiful sound quality, which is rich, warm, and clear. They bring out the natural resonance of the guitar and enhance the harmonics. They have a smooth and soft feel, which is gentle on the fingers and easy to play. They do not cause any string noise or squeaking. They have precise intonation and a stable tuning, which means they do not go out of tune easily and they sound accurate on every fret. They have a long-lasting durability. I haven't snapped them yet for almost 5 months. They retain their tone and tension for a long time. Number 4. Pyle 3/4 Junior Size Acoustic Guitar Kit. Experience a superior playing feel with our instrument, crafted entirely from wood. It features internal X bracing for optimal intonation and comfortable string height. This 3/4 scale, 36-inch guitar is designed for children aged 7 to 11, offering easier fingerings. Its stunning 7-coat glossy finish not only looks great but also provides protection. Everything you need to begin your musical journey is right here. The bundle includes picks, an adjustable strap, a cleaning cloth, and a convenient carry case. Easily tune up with our free mobile app, available for iOS and Android. Get guided setup and product care videos for a confident start. Embark on your musical adventure with 2 months of access to extensive online courses, exercises, and popular song tutorials. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. What we like. This is a great all-in-one package designed for young aspiring musicians. If you have a child aged 7 to 11 looking to start their guitar journey, this smaller, easier-to-handle instrument is perfect. It comes with everything needed to begin playing right away, making it a hassle-free option. What people say. Nylon strings are much preferable to young fingers. They will be able to play longer. The neck on a classical guitar is flat and wider than a traditional acoustic guitar that boasts a more narrow, curved neck. It has a good action and is comfortable to play, perfect for a young child. Number 3. Pyle 39 Beginner Acoustic Guitar Kit. Unbox a complete acoustic guitar set designed for beginners. It includes all the essential accessories to get you playing right away. This instrument features a handcrafted all-wood build for a warm and crisp tone. The nylon strings are gentle on your fingertips, making practice more enjoyable. Enjoy a full-scale 6-string guitar that's perfect for learning. Its traditional classic body style is suitable for children, youth, and adults alike. Whether you're in lessons, rehearsals, or performing on stage, this guitar is ready for it all. It's an excellent choice for anyone starting their guitar journey. This acoustic stringed instrument kit provides everything you need to begin playing immediately. It's the perfect starter guitar for aspiring musicians. What we like. Experience a warm, clear tone with strings that are gentle on the fingers. If you are a beginner, especially an adult or older child, who wants a comfortable playing experience and a classic sound, this full-size guitar is an excellent starting point. It provides a traditional feel and sound for learning. What people say. The nylon strings are incredibly beginner-friendly, providing a softer touch that's easier on the fingers compared to steel strings. The all-wood construction delivers a warm, resonant sound that exceeded my expectations for an entry-level instrument. It holds its tune well and offers consistent sound quality, whether you're practicing basic chords or strumming along to your favorite songs. Number 2. 3-in-1 Guitar Tool. Introducing the ultimate 3-in-1 guitar tool, designed to make restringing your instrument a breeze. It's the perfect companion for every guitarist. Tired of manually winding your guitar strings? This tool allows you to wind them much faster than by hand, fitting all tuning pegs effortlessly. Keep your guitar looking neat and tidy by easily snipping off excess strings. No more annoying strings flailing around. Removing bridge pins can be a hassle and may even damage your guitar. Our built-in puller gently removes them without causing any harm. Your guitar is a valuable investment. Ensure it stays in top condition by using the right tools to maintain its look and sound. Save significantly on professional restringing costs. This tool can save you hundreds of dollars annually, especially if you own multiple guitars. Featuring a new, flat red design, it universally fits all guitar tuning pegs, including popular brands like Gibson and Fender. It also works with most bass guitars. What we like. Streamline your guitar maintenance with this versatile tool. If you frequently change strings or want to save time and money on guitar setups, this 3-in-1 winder, cutter, and pin puller is a must-have. It makes restringing a breeze and helps keep your instrument in top condition. What people say. This guitar string winder and cutter really speeds up restringing your guitar. I like the cutter so I can trim the strings close to the tuning pegs for a neat look on my headstock. It is sturdy, of an ideal size, and is wonderfully designed. Serves several purposes. If you're a beginner, this is the perfect tool to use on beginner's acoustic guitar. Number 1. Pyle 4-4 Full-Size Acoustic Guitar Kit. Experience a better playing feel with our instrument, crafted entirely from wood. It features internal X bracing for precise intonation and comfortable string height. This 39-inch, full-scale instrument is designed for players 11 years and older. Its glossy finish not only looks great but also provides protection. Get started right away with this complete bundle. It includes picks, a strap, a cleaning cloth, and a convenient carry case. Easily tune your instrument using our free mobile app, available for iOS and Android. Access guided setup and care videos for a confident start. Embark on your musical journey with 2 months of access to extensive online lessons. Learn thousands of hours of content, including popular songs, at your own pace. What we like. This is a robust, full-size guitar package for serious beginners. If you are 11 years or older and looking for a quality instrument, the beautiful finish and all the essential accessories, this option is ideal. It offers a great playing experience and comprehensive learning resources to kickstart your musical education. What people say. The nylon strings are new and will need frequent tuning until they stretch out. Nice, full-size guitar and the strings are very soft. It has nice weight and balance. Most importantly, it sounds good and holds its tune. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.